Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a tuna sandwich with onion. First, gather your essential ingredients for a delicious meal. You will need canned tuna, mayonnaise, and a small onion. Don't forget your favorite bread, plus a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. For an added texture, think about including some finely diced celery or pickles. Now, let's prepare the tuna mixture. Begin by thoroughly draining your canned tuna to ensure your sandwich isn't watery. Next, finely dice approximately 1/4 of a small onion. This adds a wonderful, subtle bite. In a medium bowl, combine the drained tuna, your desired amount of mayonnaise, and the diced onion, mixing until well blended. With your tuna mixture ready, it's time to build your sandwich. Take one slice of your chosen bread and spread the tuna mixture evenly from edge to edge. Then, carefully place a second slice of bread on top, gently pressing down to secure it. For easier handling and enjoyment, cut your sandwich in half, whether you prefer a diagonal or straight cut. There are many ways to customize your tuna sandwich. Feel free to add fresh ingredients like crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, or a slice of your favorite cheese for an extra layer of flavor. For those who enjoy a warm, crispy bite, try toasting your bread before assembling the sandwich. And for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals to help you stay organized and nourished throughout your week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.